Hola my friends, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So today I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx because a new TJ Maxx is gonna open in my town at my local mall and I'm super excited. So if you want to see everything they have, what's new and all the good stuff, then keep on watching. Oh wow, there's already a long line outside. That's crazy. Let's try to find a parking. Okay, so I'm here and the line goes all the way to the left side of the store, as you can see. Let me show you up close. So I'm gonna make the line then. We still got like 25 minutes until it officially opens. I just wanted to show you a little preview of everything, a little before we actually go into the stores. So let me go make the line. Okay, the line is moving. We're moving, people, we're moving. We're almost there. Everybody's making their way in slowly but surely, and I can hear some commotion inside. I guess they're applauding or something. They're like celebrating that they're open or something. Okay, we're going in. Okay, it's pretty big. I'm gonna start in the makeup section first because first let me show you this little gift set here that you could get for like Christmas and stuff like that. Okay, let's see what we have over here. See Physicians Formula, a little bit of Elf, Milk, makeup over there. I see here Physicians Formula. This is the liquid highlighter. I don't think I've ever seen this one. They have it for $7.99. I've never tried it. We've got here some NARS products, and I believe this is the blush for $12.99. I'm super curious to try their blushes. They have another one here. This is actually the lightweight setting powder, and they have this one for $14.99. Let me know if you tried it and if you like it. From Buxom, we have here this is the bronzer, I believe. Yes, it's a bronzer. This is the shade. I haven't tried their bronzers. I like their blushes though. They have this for $9.99. Found here a Pixie blush, which I've never tried Pixie blushes because they don't really sell Pixie anywhere here. It's very hard to find. They have it for $3.99. I like this color. Okay, I found the blushes, which are phenomenal. They have it for $9.99. They have this shade right here. I have like a pinky one, and this is more peachy, so this one looks like a good color. I found more Pixie products. This is the glowy highlighter. It's more on the glittery side. They have it for $5.99. I found this from Stila. They have it for $6.99. This is the dual lip and cheek product. This is the shade right here. It looks very pretty. Here we have another makeup display. Let's check this section out. I found this powder blush by MAC. They have it here. They have, let me see if I can see the price anywhere. They have it for $12.99. From KVD, they have the concealer. This is the Apple Concealer. I still haven't tried this. They have it here for $9.99. Let me see what this is. This is from Milk Makeup. This is the 4 Eclipse Matte Setting Spray. Ooh, a setting spray. That's great. I'm curious about this one. They have it for $6.99. Another Milk Makeup product. I believe this is the Matte Translucent Setting Powder. Wow, I really want to try this one. Let me show you the price here. $9.99. They have some palettes here by Morphe and Morphe 2, and I've heard good things about Morphe 2, so they have it for $5. From Laura Mercier, they have this is the Translucent Pure Setting Spray. They have this one here for, let me check the price, $10. Here's another palette by Morphe. These are the shades in the back, and they have it for $7.99. And they have this one as well. This is the 9W. Look at the shades, pretty shades in the back. And it's the palette. And they have this one for, let me see, $6. Let me keep looking around and see what else I spot. A Buxom Plumping Lip Kit from Pixie. Look how cute this packaging is. A lip tint. Some makeup brushes, but not the one that I'm looking for. Cute Grinch makeup bags. Look how cute and iridescent this makeup bag is. It's adorable. Lots of perfumes to choose from. So many beautiful makeup bags, but especially this one. Look how it shines. I love this one. It's like a medium size, super holographic and beautiful. Some gift ideas like games and stuff like that. And over here we have some candles, scented candles for the holidays. Very beautiful display over here. It smells delicious over here. Okay, I'm making my way to the bag section because I want to see what newness they have. Let's see. Let's start all the way at the back, which is over here. And right now I spotted this gorgeous blue by Steve Madden. Super cute. And this one too. It's like a burnt orange with black and gold details. This is very nice as well. I like this one a lot. It's very sturdy. They have it for $34.99. This black one is very cute too. I like this one. It's pretty. Let's see the price. They have it for 40 bucks. Ooh, look at this leopard one. I love this one. It's so beautiful. The details, the chain and everything. So it's by Michael Kors and they have it for $100. They have another leopard design over here. This one's smaller. And they have this one for $30. Look how cute Snoopy. I love this one. It's super cute. It's like they gift wrap it for like a perfect gift. It brings actually 3 bags from the night before Christmas, and they have this for $80. That's great. Let me show you some of the clothing items here, some jeans and shirts if I can. If I'm lucky enough to like walk along and not get elbowed by people. Got some jeans here. Let me show you the rest. I moved to this area over here, there's less people, so they put these out here in the front part. They have this right here, which I think is a great cute sweater type of thing, and they have it in multiple colors. This is a cute top, and it has like a chain type of thing. It will go well with these pants right here. I think this one's cute. I like the colors. I have it for $25. Let me show you the rest. Let me see if I can show you exactly how sparkly these pants are, these jeans. They're from top to bottom, all sparkly in rhinestones. I have it for $25. I thought this was nice, but I'm not sure. I was debating whether to get it or not. I liked it because it has like little studs, silver studs around it, and it's breezy, it's loose, which is comfortable, but I don't know. I wasn't sure whether to get it or not. Okay, so I made it out alive. That was so packed. It was very difficult to try to record everything, and I did my best. I tried to get all the sections, all the departments, the perfume area, the bags, the makeup, a little bit of the clothing, and some decor. So I did grab a few things. Here's my bag. Let me show you very quickly what I got. This cute packaging here is by Pixi. This is the Lip Tone pH Reactive Tint, and I've been dying to try this out, so when I saw it there, I had to grab one. The next thing is by Milk Makeup, and this is their their translucent powder, and I've always been curious about their powders, so when I saw it there I wanted to grab it. I've never seen this one in my other TJ Maxx, so they had it there and I'm dying to try this out. Also by Milk Makeup, I got the setting spray. This is the matte one, so super excited to try this one because you know I have an oily T-zone. Maybe this will help, and maybe it'll beat my favorite one, which is from Milani. Who knows? The next item I got is from Buxom. These are their blushes. This is a different shade because last time I bought one from them and I loved it so much that it's become my favorite, so I wanted to get another shade, and this one is GOA, the shade, and I dropped it. So it's more like a pinky, because the other one that I have is more peachy, so I'm gonna try this one now. I love them. And another item from Pixi, because I do want to try their blushes as well, so I grabbed this one. It's like a pinky color. It's called Whisper Pink. So I've never tried their blushes, so I wanted to try them, and I found this one there and I grabbed it. That's my little haul that I did. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do and like videos like this, please subscribe, and that's completely free. Hit the like button because that helps me out a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.